Rohit, I am working hard but not getting the results. Have used all the hacks, tips and tactics, but the results is as usual. I send emails but no one responds. I think I am not good. I'm not able to make sales. Nowadays people don't want to change. They only want a product with less price, not quality products. Many of us are constantly striving to grow professionally and personally in our lives, but find it difficult. They are getting stuck in between. So what is holding them back? Why they are not able to excel? Are you also experiencing the same? If yes, then watch this video till the end. Namaskar, I am Rohit Kashyap and you are watching Monday Morning Sales Tip. Today in this video, I am going to share you with a framework of success and how to thrive in personal and professional life. If you are on this video, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel Resilient Rohit for more such sales tips. I know that you as a sales leader, business owner, entrepreneurs want to drive rapidly exponential sales growth that's going to skyrocket your company. Before I share the success framework or ideas of sales, let's pause. Yes, let's pause for a while, think and find the answer of these few questions. Have you ever had a negative thought in your mind about your sales in your company? Have you ever let any of those negative thoughts come out from your mouth? Have you ever doubted your capabilities or your sales team competencies? I would surprise if you haven't. We all are human beings and we all are negative and positive thoughts now and then. But if you want to drive sales at your company or want to become a successful sales person, then this framework will be helpful for you. The framework is MSS. Each letter will help you to understand yourself and formulate a growth plan. M stands for mindsets. S stands for skill set. Another S stands for strategies. All starts with you. I have worked with clients who gave a negative thoughts about the sales teams using phrases like these salespeople don't ... Why can't they ever ... If they would like only ... or a salespeople they thought negative about themselves. I am not good at product knowledge. People don't want to buy a good quality products. They only want prices. Maybe you had a similar thoughts, but the truth is you have to stop complaining. If you or your salespeople sucks, then you are not able to crack the deal, then you have to fix it or fire it. It's not about them, it's about you. That's right, I said it. If you want to drive sales growth, you have to stop looking at the sales team and start looking at your ways you might be preventing your company from increasing sales. What are you willing to do to change? You need to understand how your mind works, how those negative thoughts in the mind can change or impact your sales team. One of my clients wanted to increase the sales, so they hired me to train and coach their sales team. This team had a latest and the greatest tool, but when I talked to the salespeople, I quickly noticed that their morale was low. Not only did they feel that their goals are impossible to meet, but they also felt unappreciated. A mindset is how you see, perceive and view the world around you. Your beliefs, the way of thinking that determines your behavior and outlook. How you will interpret and respond to the situations. In the game of life, you can do 100 positive things, but one negative thing steals the win. Dr. Rick Hansen said, a brain is like a Velcro for negative experience but Teflon for a positive one. If I gave you and your sales organization everything you need to succeed in a way of skills and tools, it wouldn't help much unless you have a right mindset. So let's start by changing those negative thoughts. Once you have looked up at your mindset, now you can work on your skills. Yes, skill set is how you act and behave based on your capabilities, knowledge and understanding, as well as your motivation to put your abilities to use, and that's a mindset. My friend has started his business and called me after some months. Said, Rohit, I'm not getting orders. I'm unable to grow my business and the sales. What to do? I asked him, did you learn how to sell? He replied, what? Learn selling? But why? We do manufacture the best quality products with latest features. So why selling? I explained to him, let's take some example. Since I'm fascinated about sports like many, and most of my examples are inspired by sports. If you want to be successful in cricket as a fast bowler, then you have to master the art of variations in bowling, like Yorkers, the in-swing and the out-swing likewise. A doctor studies minimum 5 years to get an MBBS degree and more for his specialties. Similarly, an engineer, an architect or lawyer have to spend minimum 3 to 5 years to learn. So it's a fact that to become a professional in any field, you have to spend a considerable amount of time. But what about in sales? How many salesperson have a trained sales professional? This is a field where most of them have come not out of choice but out of force. When salespeople have tried all the options, at last they will come to sales. When it's by force, then they don't have a mindset, and top of it, they don't develop their skill set. Many of us think that sales is just a communication, and if you know how to communicate, then you can sell. It's not true. Sales are like any other profession where you need to learn various skill sets. Especially sales skill set like prospecting, digital lead generation, questioning skill to uncover customer need, negotiating skills to protect your price and increase profit, the art of persuasive communication. How many of you have mastered these skills? Rate your skills on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is the lowest and 5 is the highest. Then you see whether you need to learn more or not. If you want to know more about different selling skills, do write in your comment box. I will share you a complete list. Finally, look at the strategy. What mechanism do you see to develop your skills and achieve your objectives? These can be any number of methods, techniques, models, approaches, framework that create value in your chosen field. Look at the tools you are using. Are there any you need? Are there some that you don't use to your full capability? You can build a house without a hammer, but it's really difficult. If you are like me, who have never used a screwdriver handle, X, or even a block of wood as a hammer, you have to come to appreciate a simple, powerful role of this builder's tool. The point I'm trying to make is that tools are perhaps the easiest to swap out, but their purpose is what we must also focus on. When I do train with people, there is such a desire for the tools. What they really need is a mindset, then a skill set, then only tools, techniques and tactics. Build your mindset first and do along with your skill building. Tools, practice and add in persistence, as well as a useful system for integrating in your regular practice. And you are your way of thriving in your life. You can achieve what you want and become successful. Please do write in a comment box, where do you think you have to work on? In a mindset, skill set or a strategy? What did you like the most in this video and what are the topics you want I should make a video on. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then please give a like, and if you don't, then dislike it. But don't forget to subscribe our channel Resilient Rohit. Ring the bell to get the notification whenever we upload our new video. Please share this video with your family, friends, colleagues as much as you can, and also to those whom you think can be benefited. See you next Monday. Till then, happy selling and sharing is caring.